Welcome once again to my channel. So skincare is the name. If you are stopping by for the first time, please do well to subscribe to my channel. Also be part of my family. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your own base cream. Yes guys, before you can formulate a cream, a lotion, you need a base cream. So I'll be teaching you, but before that, let me sanitize my tools and my equipment. Please make sure your environment are clean. Okay, then I'll wipe it with my tissue paper. So guys, let's get started. Yes, all my ingredients and my environment are clean. So I'll be using my emulsifying wax. Yes, Ewax. 75 grams of my Ewax. Please do well to subscribe to my channel. Also be part of my family. Okay guys. Yes, right now this is my emulsifying wax. 75 grams of it. Then I'm also going to add in my citric acid. Yes guys, citric acid is also very good for base cream. I also scoop in 30 grams of my citric acid. This one is the second one of my citric acid. Yes guys. After adding it, I'm going to also add in my cetyl alcohol. Cetyl alcohol will serve as a thickener. So I'll be also adding in 15 grams of my cetyl alcohol. And my first oil will be my olive oil. You can add in any carrier oil of your choice. Any carrier oil of your choice, guys. But I love olive oil. So I have added in 45 ml of my olive oil. I'm also going to add in my coconut oil. Yes, coconut oil is very good because it will serve as moisturizing. It will moisturize your skin very well. So I'll also take in my 15 grams of my coconut oil, or 15 ml of my coconut oil. I'm also going to add in my shea butter. Guys, please, you can add in any butter of your choice. Yes, any butter of your choice. Then I will stir it very well. Then I'll put it in a double boiler method. So please guys, I'll be right back. Let me go and melt this oil, okay? But before our oil is melted, let me also measure in my distilled water. Yes, I'll be also measuring 400 ml of my distilled water. But I will also add in a little of my hibiscus flower for it to be like a colorful water, okay? Wow, look at how our water look like. It's very nice, a little bit pink. Yes, I love the color of my water. This is my melted oil, and also my warm water is also there. So right now I am waiting it for it to be cooled down a little bit, and I'll add the water to the oil. Yes guys, not the oil to the water, no, adding the water to the oil. Then you stir it very well. When you are adding the water, you have to stir it. Yes, right now I've added in all the water to the oil. Then I'm stirring all my oil and my water together. Stir it very well, please. If you are not using any hand mixture, yes, you have to stir it very well. Right now I can see that my oil and my water are combining together, so I need to add in the oil, the rest of the ingredients. And my first ingredient will be my snow white oil. Yes guys, you can also add in your snow white powder, 60 ml of my snow white oil. Then I'll stir it again. You can use this base cream like that, okay? You can use it like that and it will give you the glowing tone. And I'm also going to add in my Nature Secret argan oil. Yes, this one I'm using my carrot one. So I'll also add in 60 ml of it. Then I'll stir it again. My oil is and my water, they are combining now. You can see that it's thickening, so I have to add in all the ingredients to it very well. Yes, this is my propylene glycol, guys. Yes, I'm going to add in 30 ml of my propylene glycol. You can add in any whitening powder of your choice, please. You can add in any whitening powder of your choice. This is my vitamin E oil. Yes, I'm going to add in 20 ml of it. Vitamin E oil is very good for stretch marks, for moisturizing, and also for skin protection too. I also add in my whitening glycerin. Yes, 30 ml of my whitening glycerin. Sorry, 30 ml of my whitening glycerin. I have added in my glycerin to 30 ml. Then I will stir it very well again. This is my lactic acid. Yes, you can also add in your glycolic acid, but I don't have it, so I'll also add in only my lactic acid, 30 ml of it. The lactic acid will serve as an exfoliator, so I've added in 30 ml. Then I will stir it again. Okay, I'm going to also add in my last ingredient. That's my preservative, to keep this base cream for longer time. So I've added my base cream, 30 ml. I'm going to use my stick blender to blend it. I'll be right back. Yes, we are back again, and see how our base cream look like. You can use this base cream like that for glowing only. Okay, it will glow your skin. It will make it a nicer to uniform tone. Okay, yes, guys, this is how our base cream will look like. I'll put it there for a while for it to be take more than this. So guys, subscribe to my channel and be part of my family. Bye bye, and thanks for watching. See you on my next video.